Nail polish.
Yeah, good luck. Good luck. Good luck with that. What is that? Oh, a Snuggie.
Carly said she didn't get one. She's mad.
I got nail polish. Get a SpongeBob one.
Put your Snuggie on.
I'd
SpongeBob.
like to wear it.
What? Let me see how it looks on you.
Wait, after.
I wish you were up there, Carly, with them so I could get all of you.
Oh, what's that, Cal?
Dice game.
Dice?
Mommy, look at
Little
my
dice.
DS on my game.
Is that what they're playing now?
Oh, it's for your cheer. Oh, you should have brought your
I
game.
told ya.
Oh, you should have brought your DS's.
Let me see.
Oh my God.
Then you gotta put up.
Goes on backward, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait,
There you go.
Mommy, look at this.
Then when you come down in the morning, Kev. Oh, I think it's.
The other way.
Mom,
What's it
look
say?
at- What is this?
Oh, new books.
It says stolen.
Oh,
Look at
What does that say? Can you read her package, Carly?
it. says
Yep. There you go.
stolen.
That says.
you got a wrong package there.
Now, Kevin, when you
It's for all three.
oh, that's for everybody.
That's easy.
Now, when you come down in the morning, you won't be freezing for school before I turn the fire on.
I can't believe.
For school?
What is it?
Mommy, look at my new pajamas.
Cute.
Here, Papa.
More? Got more to open? More?
Again.
Pop. Pop that out.
Trouble. That's a good game for you.
Something else here. What's that?
What's that?
Scooby-Doo pajamas.
Oh, new PJs.
Whoa,
Scooby-Doo.
this is a heavy present. Really heavy. Mommy, look it.
What is it? Oh, shampoo. Good.
Superman game. A sandwich didn't put my sandwich. Mom, a Superman game. Socks.
Wow.
Socks.
Ooh.
Made a video.
Superman.
Oh, a movie.
Mommy, a score.
Ooh, that's pretty.
What?
Those are for everybody.
Man.
Oh, cute. What's that, Kev? What's your shirt say?
Get the win. Get the win.
What was in there that your mom said you were gonna say? What the heck is that?
Amy, I take a picture of you.
Oh, was it
Daddy
Jakey?
throw this
Turn-
at me.
What's it say?
Daddy throw this at me.
What did it say? Let me see.
She doesn't even know.
That's
don't
what
know.
the player looks like. Him.
Oh,
Daddy throw this at me.
I did not.
Present.
you running out?
You're out, big guy.
Who's your dad?
Mommy.
Wow.
I'm all done.
This is to make sandwiches, Amy. For the lunches.
Cute. Oh yeah.
They all got them.
No, I got a bag to put the sandwiches in.
What?
I got a thing to put the sandwiches in.
Yeah. You got the little
That
bag.
big man? This one. You get it.
Oh, you probably got the same as me.
What?
That. See, she got this, these pants, and a scarf.
Did you get your doll clothes?
Same as me. What?
You got doll clothes?
No. I didn't get down close either. Yeah.
Could have been one of the pictures. Did you open everything?
Yeah. Yeah.